How's it guys, welcome to module 7, and in this episode I'll be going over Fibonacci sequence. So what you'll learn today is how to use the Fibonacci sequence, trading engulfing candles within Fibonacci, the golden ratio, and then I'll go through a few examples. So what is a Fibonacci sequence? So a Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers starting with 0 and 1. So when looking at the picture on the right, you can see that when you add the previous number, you should get the number on the right. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, and 8 plus 3 is 13, and so on. So basically, the Fibonacci sequence can be found in various natural phenomena, such as the arrangement of leaves on a stem, the branch of trees, and the shape of certain seashells. So it's found in a lot of different aspects of life, and traders technically use it for technical analysis, and I'll be explaining how it actually works within the next couple of slides. So how to use the Fibonacci levels. So when using a Fibonacci level, you can see on this picture on the right. So what you do when you're a trader, you always drawing from the left to right, whether it's in an uptrend or a downtrend. You're drawing from your swing low to your swing high, or from your swing high to your swing low, but it has to start from left to right. So you can see that we have our swing low over here, and then our swing high at the top here. And all these levels in between are called Fibonacci levels. And when you have the 0.618 level and the 0.5 level, the in between there is called the golden ratio, where the majority of the time when you get a swing high and a swing low, price tends to come back into that zone, and you get a bounce from that zone. And then you can see over here we have an engulfing candle bouncing out of this zone. So this shows you that this is a level of support, and when looking on the left, you can see that there is resistance at this level. So it just shows you, basically it's giving you levels based on previous price action, and it's basically drawing out certain support and resistance levels for you. And the golden ratio would be between the 0.618 and the 0.5 level, and that's technically where most of the retracements come from, an uptrend or a downtrend. So this would be an example of a downtrend. You can see that you are drawing from the swing high to the swing low over here, and price comes down, comes back into this Fibonacci level, and then we get that engulfing candle which pushes the price down. And that's just another example of how to use it. So you're always drawing from your swing high to swing low, or swing low to swing high, and following your direction from left to right. So a lot of traders use this in conjunction of certain other aspects like support and resistance, because you can see that at this level over here we have a level of support, and the probability of price coming down and coming back to this zone in line with the Fibonacci is higher than the probability of it just coming back into this zone. The next two slides I'm going to show you, it doesn't really fit into Fibonacci, but I'll show you how it can. So you can see on the right here we have a range market, okay? So when drawing a Fibonacci, you can draw it from the swing low over here to the swing high, and within that you'll get certain levels. So your golden ratio might be sitting at this level over here where the support is. So you can basically draw Fibonacci on any time frame. You just need to make sure you have a swing high and a swing low. And if you want to just draw it from this swing high to swing low, then your levels will in line with the resistance at the zone at the top here where it says range bound market. Just another example. And then over here you can see that we're in this clear downtrend, and then when drawing your trend line, you can see that we have an engulfing candle here and an engulfing candle here. So if I had to draw my Fibonacci from my swing high to my swing low, then I would probably end up getting a level at this zone where it fits with the trend line, and then we have this engulfing candle pushing the price down. So it's just another example of how you can use it. You can use it on any time frame, like I said earlier, and it works on any time frame. So basically all you need to do is make sure you have 2 points, which is your swing high and your swing low, and you're always going from left to right. You can't draw it from right to left. So if you're looking at this, you wouldn't be able to draw it from this point to this point. You would have to draw it from your swing high to your swing low, or your swing low to your swing high over here. And then looking over here, the same thing goes. You can see that we're in this uptrend, we're making higher highs and higher lows. We have this trend line with our engulfing candle over here. And if you wanted to draw your Fibonacci, you could draw it from your swing low over here to your swing high up here, and you would get levels that in line with certain points. So you can see over here we have this retracement over here, which will probably end up lining with your Fibonacci levels. So it's just a way to help you understand where these levels might retrace to. Yeah, and that's pretty much Fibonacci. There's not much else to it. Understanding it is crucial, and it does happen in our everyday lives, and traders have been using it for a very long time, and it's just how it goes. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for our next course, which is coming out within the next couple of weeks, where we'll be talking about advanced trading techniques.